What's up guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to make buffalo wings using an air fryer with homemade buffalo sauce and a yogurt ranch dipping sauce.
To start, you'll need about 1 to 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. You can absolutely use drumsticks if that's all you have, but we're sticking with the classic here because that's how we do.
Hell yeah!
First, we're going to season them with a generous helping of black pepper and about a teaspoon of salt. Toss them together. And this humongous machine is both a pressure cooker and an air fryer. Oof, that's my workout for today. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. First, add a cup of water into the bowl. Then in goes the frying basket and all of the chicken wings. Basically, we're going to pressure cook the wings so their insides are soft and tender. Then later, we're going to air fry them to make the outsides nice and crispy. Close and seal the pressure cooker lid and set it on high for 5 minutes.
While the wings are cooking, we're going to get crunked off some cheap beer. And make our buffalo sauce, duh. You can certainly use store-bought, but I'm using a fermented hot sauce that I made a little while ago. I'll put a link down below on the recipe I used, so if you want to make your own, you totally can. Add half a cup to a small sauce pot, and to that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire, some black pepper, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Bring that to a simmer on medium heat, swirl the pot around, making sure everything is dissolved and well combined. Then turn off the heat and add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Swirl that around until the butter is melted. Okay, I know some of you are thinking, hey, shouldn't buffalo wings be eaten with blue cheese dressing instead of ranch? Well, I don't like blue cheese, but I like ranch, so I'm making ranch. You'll need half a cup of Greek yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of mayo and some black pepper. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Yes, I'm using the jar stuff. And lastly, add in some chopped scallion. You could also use chives. Mix everything together and stir in about 1/4 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Don't forget to check for seasoning, add more salt if needed, and you are done! Homemade ranch! How easy is that? And it's the healthier version by using yogurt.
At this time, the wings should be finished cooking. Let's take a look. Ah, yeah. Soak up that steam. Alright, put the lid back on and set it to air fry mode, 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Let's remove the wings from the air fryer and put them into a bowl. What do you think, Billy Bob? Oh, I think he thinks they need some sauce. I love this sound. Now take that buffalo sauce we made from earlier and pour it over the wings and give it a good toss. Make sure every single wing is nicely coated in that beautiful sauce. Buffalo wings with yogurt ranch dipping sauce. Because we pressure cooked the wings beforehand, the meat just falls right off the bone. It's
super tender and the skin is nice and crispy. If you go to Wingstop or any other places, this will probably cost you 25 bucks. Seriously, it's not that hard to make chicken wings at home, not to mention the homemade buffalo sauce is so good. It's nothing like the stuff that comes out of a bottle. And ranch, it's made with yogurt, so it's actually good for you. They smell so good, our cat won't stop sniffing them. If you like this video, give this a try and tell us what you think in the comment section. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe and like our videos. Share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Billy Bob! Billy Bob! Say bye to them, Billy Bob! Bye!
You became a stranger.